Understanding Child Dental Health, a guide for parents and guardians. Hello, and welcome to our video on child dental health. Today, we'll explore why dental health is crucial for children, the common dental problems they face, and how parents can help maintain their child's dental health. Good dental habits start early, and it's our mission to ensure you have the knowledge to support your child's journey towards a healthy smile. Child dental health refers to the care and maintenance of a child's teeth and gums. It's not just about preventing cavities. It also involves teaching children the importance of good oral hygiene practices from a young age. Healthy teeth are vital for a child's overall health, affecting their ability to eat, speak, and even their self-esteem. Children are susceptible to several dental problems, such as tooth decay, often caused by sugary foods and poor brushing habits; gum disease, resulting from plaque buildup and can lead to more serious health issues if untreated; tooth loss, early loss of baby teeth can affect the alignment of permanent teeth; dental anxiety, fear of visiting the dentist can prevent children from receiving necessary care. Prevention is key when it comes to child dental health. Here are some effective ways to prevent dental issues. Regular brushing and flossing. Teach your child to brush twice a day and floss regularly. Healthy eating habits. Limit sugary snacks and drinks to reduce the risk of tooth decay. Regular dental checkups. Visiting the dentist every 6 months for a checkup and cleaning. Fluoride use. Fluoride strengthens the enamel and helps prevent cavities. Consult your dentist for the best fluoride products for your child. Establishing a routine is essential for maintaining good dental health. Here's how you can help your child develop a strong dental care routine. 1. Choose the right tools. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and child-friendly toothpaste. 2. Make it fun. Use games, songs, or timers to make brushing and flossing a more enjoyable experience. 3. Educate. Teach your child about the importance of dental health through books or videos. 4. Lead by example. Children learn by imitation, so make sure you're practicing good oral hygiene habits yourself. Thank you for watching our video on child dental health. We hope you found this information helpful and that it empowers you to take an active role in your child's dental care. Remember, early habits form the foundation for a lifetime of good health. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to consult your dental care professional. Here's to happy, healthy smiles for your little ones.